Way of air, nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles. See, bronchioles again divided into primary, secondary, tertiary bronchioles. Primary, secondary, tertiary. Nostrils. Nostrils means nose entry. Nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles. Primary bronchioles, secondary bronchioles, tertiary bronchioles. All they leads into alveoli. This is the pathway of air. Pathway of air in our